everyone, today I will show you how to make grapeful juice that your body will be extremely grateful for. Let's get started. First, you will need 3 apples. I use pink lady apples as my grapes are not that sweet, but if your grapes are, you might want to use green apples or a combination of both. Essentially, try to balance the sweetness between those two fruits. Also, I do not peel apples as most nutrients are hidden just under the skin. And that's why for juicing, you want to clean fruits and veggies very well and make sure that you get the best fruits you're able to get. Apple seeds go in there too, as seeds release a lot of goodness. Put the apples into thin fingers if you're using a juicer. The reason for that is that juicers prefer this shape and the produce doesn't get stuck. Next, wash grapes well and remove them from the stems. And lastly, wash 2 handfuls of spinach. Now we have all we need, so let's start juicing. For the optimal performance of the juicer, you always want to start with the hardest fruits or veggies and move towards softer ones. So for this recipe, we are starting with apple. Because spinach is very leafy, I found that it goes better through the juicer when grapes and spinach are being alternated. I know it looks like a lot of spinach, but don't be intimidated. Spinach releases small amounts of juice and it's not intense like other leafy greens, so it will be hidden behind the flavors of grapes and apples. If you're very skeptical, try 1 handful first and then add more if you feel confident enough. Because the proportion of apples and grapes is high compared to leafy greens, this juice is really great for kids and individuals who do not like hardcore green juices. Generally, it should give you around a liter, depending on how much juices are coming out from the fruits. You will tend to get the foam at the top. Personally, I love it, but I know some people don't, so feel free to either strain it or leave it in, depending on your preference. And that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you do not miss any Mugelicious videos. Have a terrific day and see you next Thursday day.